Hey everyone, long time no see. I've come out of hibernation to let you know that it's that time of the year again. Our annual community game jam will be happening in August, as per usual. I will be hosting the 3rd edition of Do You Wanna Jam? Game Jam from August 9th to August 18th. The 9-day format seemed to work last year, so we'll be keeping that consistent. I hope this will be plenty of time for people to submit their entries, as it gives you 2 entire weekends. Perfect for those studying or working full-time on the weekdays. If you're interested, definitely sign up below. Our community game jam is open to people of all skill levels, all ages, team sizes, and we are beginner friendly. So don't be shy. I've done plenty of jams over the years, and I can confidently say that it's always a great opportunity to connect with new people and learn something new. We have so many welcoming, friendly, and talented people over on the Discord server, so definitely join if you'd like to find a teammate or share your game's progress during the jam. You can also use any engine of your choice and assets that have been legally obtained. As for the use of AI, I won't have any strict rules for or against it, but use your best judgment, especially when it comes to graphics and images. Use it as a tool, as it should be. Before the jam begins, the secret theme will be revealed. I'm hoping that this theme will inspire creativity and get those brain gears turning. How well you incorporate the theme will be reflected in the ratings under the theme category. After the game jam, there will be a 1-week voting period for anyone who participated. The categories available for ranking are the following: fun, graphics, audio, theme, and originality. I will also be playing your games on stream on this channel and over on Twitch, so be sure to hop on that week. Hope you have time this summer to join us for the Do You Wanna Game Jam 2025. I'd love to have you, and I'm so excited to see what everyone makes this year. I love to see our regulars and new people who join us every year. Always impressed by the high quality of game jam entries we receive and your unique takes on the theme. Anyways, that's all for now. If you have any questions, be sure to join the Discord, and otherwise, I'll see you around in a couple weeks. See you later.